Whereabouts are you from?
Cardiff.
I'm from Cardiff.
Yeah, me too. Whereabouts in Cardiff are you from?
I'm from Swansea.
Why have you come to Pride Cymru today?
To celebrate and have fun with friends.
I came here because I'm a proud lesbian.
What does Pride Cymru mean to you?
I think it's like standing up and showing everyone who you are and not being afraid to, like having to hide and stuff.
To just show that you can love anyone you want.
Getting together, supporting each other, making sure that people get out of the house, make sure people that smiling and laughing. And
what have you enjoyed about Pride this year?
Pretty much everything.
What have you liked most about Pride this year?
So basically, what I like most about Pride is celebrating people's differences and just the equality in general.
What would you say to people that have never been here before?
That is a safe space in which you should come.
So how would you sum up today in one word?
Amazing.
Good.
Great.
How do we sign Pride?
Pride. Pride.
Pride. Hang on. Oh, that was it. Was it?
Pride.
Pride. Amazing. Thank you, everyone.